Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a very, very warm and very twinkly evening in the garden. It's actually lovely right now, but it was so hot today. I have said frequently to some artist friends that I really wish that I had a new box of crayons, new box of colors that we'd never worked with before. And to my surprise, the other day, I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw a brand new bunch of Deco Art colors, their new Americana line, and they look like a lot of fun. So I have bought some of them, and we're going to be playing with them tonight, which I'm kind of excited about because it literally is a new box of crayons. The other fun thing we're going to be doing tonight is it's a cloud pour mix that we are using. So between that and the wonderful colors we have, I think we're going to end up something really, really special. So we are using a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas from artist Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my base coat flow extender color. So that's all set. Let me show you these new colors because I'm very excited about them. Okay, this first one over here, this is Banana Cream. This is the Deco Art Americana line, a brand new one that just came out that I'm very excited about. I bought all of these. They didn't send them to me. Please watch a few more videos so I can buy more paint. This is the Banana Cream, and I have mixed this with my heavy gel gloss pouring medium and American Floetrol, my regular pouring medium that I like to use. It's a little thinner tonight because I guess the pouring medium that I had was not very thick. So this is not very thick. So these paints are not super thick. They are not the same consistency as, say, the golden heavy-bodied ones that are more like pudding. This is definitely liquid. So just be prepared. So that's the Banana Cream, which I think is really, really pretty, actually. I'm very excited about that. It's kind of like the Naples Yellow Light. Okay, this next one is Fresh Mango. Really, really pretty color. I'm very excited about using. Kind of cantaloupe-y, but I guess it kind of does look like mango. I don't know. You're the mango lover, HOA. What do you think?
No, it's more mango than cantaloupe.
Is it? I'm more cantaloupe than mango. But I'm excited about this one. That's the Fresh Mango. This one over here is called Coral Buzz. Very, very pretty color I'm excited about. And that's this one over here. So this is the Coral Buzz. Very, very pretty color. Nothing is super, super thick tonight. Mound on a mound, and then it sinks into itself pretty quick. So that's the Coral Buzz. And then the last color we're using is this new one. Is called Love Potion. Very, very pretty stuff. I really like that a lot. And that's over here. And I do expect this to dry a little deeper and end up looking more like that. It's the Floetrol in it that changes the color a bit. Very pretty stuff. Okay, and now for the star of the show, the Cloud Mix. This recipe is from Kelly from Feral Art, who has been doing some beautiful cloud pours lately. So this is Artist Loft Soft Body White and some Vallejo Pearl Medium and some American Floetrol. So that's the recipe. Thank you, Kelly. Okay. So this is our cloud mix. And that Amsterdam Soft Body White is kind of insane. So I've been warned to use it sparingly. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to layer a couple of cups, and then we're going to pour it out, and we're going to see some amazing things, I hope. So we're going to start with a little bit of that Banana Cream in both of them. And then we're going to move into the mango. We're going to put some of our cloud mix in. Not a lot. And we're going to go on to our Coral Buzz. And into the Love Potion. It's so much fun to say. Okay. We're going to do another layer of the cloud mix. And then we're going to put our colors back in there again. With the Banana Cream. They should have called it Mango Madness. I mean, that just seems like it would have made more sense, right? Fresh mango. I'm going to skip the cloud mix on this one. I'm just going to go straight to the coral. And into the Love Ocean. Okay. Cool. Okay. So those are going to go over there. I also wanted to show you my flow extender color. This is some drips mixed with some Amsterdam titanium white. I think there's some pearl yellow in there, some white in there, maybe some gold, maybe some pink tourmaline. It's kind of like a pretty blush color. Okay. So, okay. So we're going to put down a little bit of our base coat flow extender color. And just tilt that out a little bit. Catch some bugs. You like these lights, man. Okay, we're gonna torch that real quick. There are a lot of air bubbles. Okay. All right. So I'm not going to be a chicken. I'm just going to do it.
Be fearless.
Okay. We're going to do like a wandering straight pour, but I'm not going to get super, super close because this is kind of thin with the, when you want to get close and make those fingerlings, it's better if your paint is thicker. This is a little thinner. So we're just going to kind of move around. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Okay, here we go. Oh, that's pretty. That's the coral. And the mango. And the banana. Ooh, I like the coral a lot. That's really pretty. Okay. Pleasantly surprised so far. We'll start over here. Here we go. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Let's see if we can do something. Get kind of flamey in there for you, eh?
Fingerlingy.
Wow, I love that coral buzz. That's so cute. Okay. Pretty. I'm liking the colors. I like my new box of crayons. Okay. There's some of this on our corners and edges. So which side do you like better? This side or that side? I liked this a lot, and then I poured that. But I do kind of want to see what happens because the cloud mix is going to puff up and be really pretty.
Can't you keep them both?
You can try, but I know myself. Okay, we're going to walk this down. rainbow sherbet Eastery, isn't it? It's pretty though. I'm digging those flames on either side of the snake belly. What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
It's funny, the paint was so thin it tilted out so much faster than I expected. You think I should take some of this off or just leave it alone? It's kind of cool how it is.
I know, can you open up any, would you open up something else if you did that?
Might make the snake belly part thicker, but I don't know if that would help anything necessarily. I kind of like it. I'm seeing all the colors.
I like it a lot.
Okay. So I do really like what's happening here, and I think this is really, really pretty. And I think I'm going to stop because, let me turn it around so you guys can see it from my point of view. I love this top section, and in here, these like flamey bits on either side. Really, really beautiful and cool. I like the banana cream a lot. I see the mango right next to it and the coral. And that love potion is beautiful down there. This part's really pretty. Just finger paint a little bit. Okay. This is beautiful in here on the edge. I really like these colors. Very pretty, very rainbow sherbety. Just a tiny bit too much paint right there. Okay. All right. That's pretty cool looking. All right. So again, we have the banana cream and the fresh mango and the coral burst and love potion. And then we have our cloud mix, which is doing that cloud thing that it's supposed to do to get big and poofy and soft like clouds. So this is really cool. I also love, my hands up, hold on.
Damn it.
I love this in here where it's like multicolored in the fingerlings. That's really cool. That blending that we're getting is awesome. I'm loving this. Very pretty. That coral is really gorgeous. Very impressed. Good job, Deco Art. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna leave it alone. I am gonna torch it one more time, and then I will show you guys once it's dry. Thanks so much for hanging out with us tonight. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we are a couple days later with our dried results. This one came out so beautiful. Really, really pleased with these colors. That coral buzz especially is beautiful, and the love potion and the banana cream and the fresh mango. Really, really fun. Great names. Lots of imagery, but I love the way the colors look. So in here we have those beautiful fingerlings and this wonderful gradient of all those colors, with the banana cream and the mango and the coral, ending in the love potion. But beautiful stuff happening in here. Really pretty. So very, very pleased with this one. And that cloud mix, thank you, Kelly. Great success. I love how poofy and soft everything looks. Really, really nice. Joey, can you give us some little tilting? Very cool. There's no pearls in this one, so, but we did have a little bit of the pearl medium, which is giving it a little bit of sparkle and some shimmer. Okay, just hold still for a sec. I love this part in here. Really beautiful. So this was fun. So also celebrating the first day of spring. Happy Nowruuz to all of our Persian friends. Persian New Year starts on the first day of spring, which is kind of awesome. So I hope this year brings everybody peace and lots of happiness and love and light and a whole new box of crayons. So this was awesome. Thank you so much for being with us today. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give me a like, a share, a comment, hype, all that fun YouTube stuff. Thanks for being here. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.